LADADA lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I should have done a very long time ago. We all know that we have those little DIY projects or puzzles or whatever it may be that we start and we never finish. Today's video is one of those. I kid you not, this project started for me before I ever even started my YouTube channel, and then it just ended and I never did anything with it, and I can't believe that I completely forgot about it until I was looking through my drawers today and I went, oh my gosh, I can't believe I've left it this long. So it only seemed appropriate that I make a YouTube video for you guys on the Yummy book. Explanation coming. Basically, forever ago, I decided that I wanted a creative outlet, and I was like, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to craft all of the recipes that I make up, or my favorite recipes, into a book. I got as far as the front cover and it never went any further. You guys ready for this? This is the back, the non-exciting part. Basically, this is one of those books from Kmart where you can just scrapbook. Oh, I'm going to reveal the front in a second, but I was going to put all my recipes on here and I just never did it. I did, however, make a gorgeous front cover, and then I kind of chickened out because I was like, I have to write the Yummy book now and I want it to be perfect, and I got too scared and I never did it. And therefore, I never put any recipes in here either. So we're going to do it. We are going to start the Yummy book. I may make this a series if you guys like it. I'm going to start with my ultimate favorite recipe, which is actually the first ever video that I put on my YouTube channel, which is this slice called Chocolate Dreams. Anyway, we're going to create the Chocolate Dreams page and finish the front cover of the Yummy book. That is today's video. Only time will tell whether or not I make this into a series, but for now, let's make the Yummy book. Okay guys, I know this is probably a little bit of a weird setup, but I've gone backwards and forwards trying to figure out how it looks for a while now because Brayden is not home, so he can't help me out with seeing where I would be on camera and stuff. I know there's a nice big tripod here, but I wanted you guys to be able to see as much as possible what's going on. I'm sorry guys, the footage from my phone got messed up, so it won't be included. However, I do move the angle shortly, so you will get a better look very soon. That being said, let's just get straight into it. I am super excited to finally write the Yummy book on the Yummy book. Fingers crossed it goes well. If I don't like it, I don't like it. There's nothing I can do about it. At least it's not just sitting in a drawer doing nothing anymore. Okay, I'm going to put myself right down nice and close so I can actually see. This is going to be a bit of a weird one, I think, but whatever. That's alright. We got it. I'm not even going to do it in pencil. I'm just going for it. We're going to go for it. Okay. I'm scared. We got this. We got this. You got this. I do that. I was doing so well. I'm liking how it's looking. I am definitely disappointed about that dot on the M, but you know what? That's alright. I am, however, going to move. I don't know why I plonked myself here in the first place. Let's go sit at the dining table. I'll put you guys over my shoulder and you can watch my progress. I think that's going to be a much better way to do this. So let's move.
That's more like it. Much better. I hope you guys like how it's looking. I'm pretty much just working towards making the letters neater and more even. Okay, I decided it needed a little bit more colour, so I'm going around the letters in different coloured markers. I definitely think it looks better. Well, that's the cover done. I'm not 100% sure what my plan is for the Chocolate Dreams page. I'm pretty much just gonna wing it. As you can see, I have plenty of crafty bits and bobs to work with. What I'll use, who knows, but it's good to have options. did it. I'm done. Hope you like it.
Well guys, there you have it. We finally made a step on the Yummy book. Not gonna lie, I'm actually super happy with how it's turned out, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me make this one. If you did, please do give it a massive thumbs up for me. Otherwise, how else am I gonna know whether or not to make a series out of this? If you never want to see it again, you can let me know that too. I don't mind either way, but I enjoyed making it, so I suppose that's the main thing. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Angela. If you would like to join our lovely LADADA family, you guys know how YouTube works. Hit subscribe down below, ding the notification bell to be told when I bring out a new video. Otherwise, that is all from me today, guys. I hope that each and every one of you have an absolutely wonderful, gorgeous, beautiful, marvelous, spectacular day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. LADADA, love ya!